Hi there, and welcome to the Marketing Strategy Playbook. Use this step-by-step planning playbook and set of premium tools and templates to create a comprehensive strategic marketing plan. Each playbook begins with a table of contents and a framework for quick reference to the tools and templates highlighted throughout this step-by-step guide. Our playbooks are filled with links to our practical modern marketing tools, templates, and training, which are organized stage by stage, step by step, starting with stage number 1, corporate values. Here, the first step is to review the core values case study, and then examine your core values. In stage 2, it's all about vision, and here the first step is to identify your business, and then connect your vision to your marketing. Aligning market with business, and then identifying core competencies. In stage 3, we're going to assess the current situation, and here we're going to start with the current company status, company strengths and weaknesses, current brand status, current customer status, current industry status, and current competitive situation. In stage number 4, we focus on objectives. And here, step 1 is business objectives, followed by step 2, marketing objectives. In stage 5, we're going to create and refine the strategy. And here, the first step is markets and products, followed by your market plan, products themselves, your brand strategy, partnerships and alliances, communications, and infrastructure. And in stage 6, we move into budget and measurement. And here, your first step is to consolidate your budget and then fine-tune your dashboard. Remember, you can access all these resources in a single page at the start of this guide and on its own with the Marketing Strategy Framework. Succeed with marketing strategy by downloading and leveraging this playbook today.